My name is John Anene, and guess what? Today I'm not just alone, I'm with some beautiful people around me, and I'm going to ask them to introduce themselves one after the other.
Hello, my name is Wahan. I am 7 years old. I came here and I love yoga.
Wow.
Come here every Monday.
And you practice yoga, right?
Yes, even though I might be late and they might not.
Don't worry about that, beautiful girl. So let me talk to this handsome boy. It's not beautiful, it's cute. Yes.
My name is Ayodele Odofin. I am 9 years old. I come here every Monday to practice yoga.
Beautiful. Alright, that is my wholesome friend. And
And Coach Mickey Mouse, which all because of the two of us, our names are now called
Mickey Mouse. He's the only person calling Mickey Mouse in my class.
No, it's good that's called Mickey Mouse.
Alright guys, before we go further, these are wonderful people. I'm going to ask them what is yoga for them, and guess what? You'll be hearing amazing things from them. Not from me, but from them. Okay, let's start with Yakub. What's yoga for you?
Yoga is peaceful.
Wow, that word
and
peaceful.
Very quiet.
Wow, wholesome. Pick that word.
And we can sleep while doing some of the moves.
Ooh, wholesome. Ah, that's a nice one there, Yakub. Okay, what's yoga for you?
Yoga is for good health for me. It helps me when I do the breathing exercise. It mostly cures my allergies. And yoga is also like exercise, just that it's it calms me down.
Okay.
And it makes me sleep better.
Whoa, sleeps better is the key word there. Let's listen to this gentleman. Look at him very well.
9 years old.
Tell me what yoga is for you. Like, how do you enjoy yoga?
Yoga is peaceful.
Wow.
It makes me learn and relax people.
Wow. Yoga makes him learn, it makes him relax. Guess the word peace, the word calming, the word relaxation is all you found in yoga. So I want to say namaste. Everybody say, let's say namaste. Peace be with you, right?
Yeah.
Okay. May we have the thought of peace as we go through our day. May we speak the words of peace to all those we meet. May we find love for all beings. Namaste. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Come to Mr. John Anene and he will teach you all those lovely
Yoga poses. Whoa.
And we are from